If I enter my domain name into the web browser and add /wp-admin, hit enter, it will take me to the login page of my WordPress website. For the fact that I can do this to access the login page, any other person who is not an administrator to this website can also access the login page. Therefore, the possibility of users being able to hack into your website is high. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can prevent users from accessing the login page of your WordPress website. To do this, the first thing I want to do is log into my WordPress website. Inside my WordPress dashboard, the next thing I do is go over to plugins, click on add plugin. Under search plugins, I search for WPS. And this is the plugin I'm going to use, WPS Hide Login. With this plugin, you'll be able to hide the admin URL from other users. So I click on install now. It is installed. I go ahead and activate. Now that the plugin is installed and activated, the next thing I want to do is come over to settings, then click on general. Going down to WPS Hide Login section. At the moment, this is the default URL the plugin will give me. That is my domain name /login. So whatever I'm going to enter here will now be the new administrative URL for my website. If I leave it as /login, it means that anytime I want to log into the backend of my website, I'll need to enter my domain name /login. But the word login is very simple in the sense that users can easily guess it. So you want to enter some text which users will find it very difficult to guess. What I usually do is use the initials of the website I'm working on plus the name of the customer I'm developing the website for. In this case, the name of my website is thumbnail, so I can say TN stands for thumbnail, then I add underscore, then I add the name of the client. In this case, I'm the client myself, so I'll just enter my name. So TN_Swadik. With this, users will find it very difficult to guess. I click on Save Changes. Now, if I log out of the website, then I go over to the main URL again. Next, I bring /wp-admin, hit enter. It will tell me that page not found. So with this, users will find it very difficult to locate your login page. But now, if I take off this and enter TN_Swadik, hit enter, it will now take me to the login page, which is cool. So that's it on how you can stop users from having access to your WordPress administrative login page. I hope you found value from today's tutorial. If you did, kindly click on the like button. It does help me out. Subscribe if you are new here and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. In the meantime, stick around to watch another video from the channel. Keep watching and we will talk soon.